Enjoy the view of this 2020 Chevrolet Malibu. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Bring your love of driving along on the family road trip. The Malibu is the safe, luxurious midsize car that satisfies your desire for driving pleasure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated driver's seat, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Your family deserves security and comfort. You deserve to have some fun. Test drive the Malibu.